In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your experience on Monday.com by adjusting the display settings to suit your viewing preferences. Whether you need zoom adjustments, column resizing, or simply a full screen view, this guide will walk you through the steps to make your workflow more comfortable and efficient. First, let's get started by opening Monday.com in your preferred web browser. You can choose from Chrome, Edge, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. Once you have Monday.com loaded on your screen, we'll explore some handy techniques to ensure everything looks just right for you. One of the easiest ways to adjust your view is by using your browser's zoom function. If you're on a Windows or Linux system, you can easily zoom in by pressing Ctrl and the Y+Y key. This will enlarge everything on your screen, making those smaller details easier to see. To zoom out, simply press Ctrl and the I key, which will shrink the view if you find things getting too large. If you need to return to the original zoom setting, just press Ctrl and psi 0, and you'll be back to the default view. For Mac users, the zoom shortcuts use the Command key instead. Press Command and plus to zoom in, Command and Alt to zoom out, and Command and 0 to reset to the default. Now, if you're using a laptop with a touchpad, you might find it even more natural to use pinch to zoom gestures. This can be an intuitive way to adjust your view if your browser supports these types of gestures. It mimics the familiar action you might use on your smartphone or tablet. Next, let's talk about adjusting column widths within Monday.com. Often you might find that some columns are too narrow to display all the information clearly, or perhaps they're too wide and taking up too much space. To fine-tune column sizes, simply hover your cursor over the edge of a column header until you see a double-sided arrow appear. Click and drag to either increase or decrease the width. This flexibility allows you to customize your workspace so that you can see all the important details without unnecessary clutter. Finally, for a distraction-free work environment, you can make use of full screen mode. This eliminates other browser elements from view, allowing Monday.com to take up the entire screen. The process to activate full screen varies depending on your browser, so check browser-specific instructions if needed. By mastering these simple techniques, you're ensuring that Monday.com works for you, providing a seamless and visually pleasant experience to keep your projects on track. Thanks for watching and have a great day navigating your workspace.